Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by eliminating the obvious blockers. Check the ring/silent switch and raise volume in Control Center so the phone can actually play sound. Once done, disconnect any Bluetooth speakers or headphones because audio often routes there. Toggle Bluetooth off to be sure. If the device is unresponsive, restart or force restart depending on your model. This clears transient software glitches. These steps are quick and often restore audio, and they prepare you for deeper checks if sound still won't play. Next, verify system and app settings so output goes to the right place. Open Settings Sounds and Haptics and confirm media volume, then launch the app and try volume buttons while playing audio. In Control Center, press the audio card to choose output and ensure built-in speaker is selected. Make sure iOS and the app are up to date, because software bugs can break audio routing. If one app fails, reinstalling it often fixes corrupted local settings. These steps target configuration and software causes. Finally, rule out hardware. Inspect and gently clean the speaker grill and Lightning or USB-C port. Lint can block sound or headphone detection. Test audio with wired headphones and a Bluetooth device to isolate whether speakers are faulty. If sound works through accessories, the internal speaker may be the issue. If all else fails, use Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset all settings to preserve data while restoring defaults. And contact Apple support or visit a repair provider if hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.